People ask all the time with these Fibo laminate wall panels, do you have to use a certain type of pan? And while I'd like to tell you, you've got to use the pans that we sell, that's not true. You can use really any type of pan. This one over here, we call it a InnovaStone pan. It's a light gray. It's a stone pan with a low profile. It's a really good pan if you've got somebody that maybe is mobility challenged and can't step up high. Plus, it's a complete solid pan. So you'll see that there's actually a base profile. It's going to be sealed between the base profile and the pan. So this is one type of pan, but not the only type. So I'm going to go over here and show you another type of pan, which is this is a ramped fiberglass pan. So again, here's the Fibo laminate wall panels here, and over here we've got the ramp pan with a linear drain. And it wouldn't have mattered whether we had a cultured stone pan, whether we had a fiberglass pan or a tile pan. Basically, laminate wall panels can be used in any situation, or a wet room where it's kind of a one-level bathroom. So if you have more questions, though, about how do you use these wall panels and technically how do you combine where the panels seat in relation to the pan, certainly feel free to give us a call at 877-668-5888, or you can go to innovatewallpanels.com. And on that part of the site, it will go right into the section about the wall panels, and we can get you more technical info if you need it. Thanks so much.